everyone, and welcome to a new review. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite moisturizing cream. This is from Nivea, and I'm from Germany, so in Germany we love this brand Nivea. I know that Nivea produces in the States too. They have American products too, but people say that the original Nivea Creme from Germany is way better, and they also have a little bit of different ingredients. So this is the original cream from Germany, and I love this. This pack is perfectly fitting in my hand, so you can take this everywhere you go. You can just put it in your pocketbook or whatever. You put it in your car, wherever you take it. You can put this in the sun, in the cold. It doesn't change the cream. It doesn't get it like watery or anything. This is a super thick moisturizing cream, so this is not like watery at all. So that's why I'm using this. I'm using this every day on my face. It makes like a thick protective layer on your skin. You can use this for the whole body, so you can see it does like go into your skin super easily, but it is a thick cream and it's very moisturizing, and it smells super good. This is my favorite smell. I also do use this for my daughter. She's only 1 year old, so it has nothing bad inside what she shouldn't have. Yeah, so this is totally different than lotion. So this is really a thick cream. And yeah, don't worry about the design. This is still the Christmas design. So this Nivea cream comes in a normal pack. It's 150 milliliters inside. And I do also use this for makeup removing. I don't know if anyone else does this, but I do. I always put some Nivea cream on a cotton pad, and then I take my mascara off my eyes, and this works perfectly. I never had a makeup remover that is better, and I always use this Nivea cream for any type of makeup, lipstick, whatever. I use this cream every single day. It's my favorite cream, and I highly recommend you buying this moisturizing Nivea cream, original from Germany. Thank you for watching this video.